What's up, everybody? Greg the Bee Guy here, and I'm here with Brian on another call. So we had a homeowner call us the other day about a hive that's on her property that she needs taken care of. So we told her we'd come down and take this hive for her and take them up to our apiary and make sure her girls are well taken care of. She's a real nice lady, super nice, and she's tried to take care of these bees for the longest time, and it's just not working out for her anymore. So me and Brian are gonna load these girls up. We're probably gonna, they're bearded pretty bad on the front, which I'll show you here in a minute, but we're probably gonna go ahead and just close the entranceway down, and then we're gonna go ahead and bee-vac the bees that are on the front. We're gonna take them back to the apiary, and then we'll transfer the bees back in there. So remember, when we're moving a hive like this, an established colony now, when we're moving an established colony, the rule is that we move them either less than 3 feet or more than 3 miles. So we fall into the second category. We're going about 7 miles away, so they should be good to go. So stay with us. Let's go. All right. All right, guys, so as you can see, the bees are bearded pretty bad on the front. So what our plan here is, we're gonna take the feeder out. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wait here. It's not yet dark, so we wanna make sure it's at least a little bit darker than this. Then we're gonna go ahead and hopefully get as many bees in there as possible. We're gonna seal the entrance, and then we're gonna use our bee vac to vacuum the bees that are on the outside of the hive. And then what we're gonna do is when we get back to the apiary, we'll open everything up and take the bee vac and dump those bees right in the entranceway. They'll be fine for the short trip over there. So that's what we're gonna do. So here we go. All right, Brian, let's go ahead and.
Do you want me to do something?
No, you're good. No, I wouldn't. I don't want you to get any closer to. Okay, Brian. So, might as well. You want to fire up the generator? Yeah, they're not happy with it. The girls are trying to smoke me here.
Wooden platform set.
Oh, shoot, that is hold on. I'm getting stuck. Yeah, they're getting, oh, yeah. Is it in there? There. Yeah, I probably should have wore a pair of boots, but my own stupid. Oh, that. Oh, yeah, you're probably gonna fail for a second. Good.
You want me to start vacuuming?
Yeah, good. 3, 2, 1. Guys, if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe down below. It helps me out. Leave a comment, share, like, share, subscribe, comment. Get back at it.